afternoon, sir and ma'am. We are from SINHAGAD Institute of Technology and Science, Nare, and we are presenting our topic of paper fake news detection using machine learning ensemble methods. And our project members are Palak, Bute, Swaranjali, Shamburaj Ithape, and myself, Payoshni Joshi. And our project guide is Professor Mahesh Deshpande, sir. Uh, so as we know, the fake news exists way before from social media, but it's multifold when social media was introduced before. So fake news is a news designed to spread the propaganda and disinformation. So fake news stories usually spread through social media like Facebook, Twitter, we can say. And as we all know, social media is used for news reading nowadays. But before, only professor used to collect the news and publish it. But nowadays, anyone can collect the news and publish. Therefore, the authenticity of the news is difficult to know. So the problem statement is to design a system using artificial intelligence that classifies between the fake news and real news and checks the authenticity of the content. So objectives. So the objectives are like the goal was to reduce the time gap between a news release and detection. The aim is not only to detect the fake news, but to also achieve the highest possible accuracy using the various algorithms and predicting the highest accuracy levels in the detection of the news, whether it is real or fake. These are the literature reviews we have used. The first is using the ML machine learning predictable supervised classification model and the hybrid model for fake news detection as it increases the accuracy of the information. Next is the fake news detection using ML and deep learning algorithms, fake news detections on social media. So it's the relevance with the paper of examine how the fake news propagate in social media. Next, the review of the paper able to detect news. We AI which convert the textual form into the like artificial intelligence, arithmetic equations, and the human being is unable to detect all these fake news. So there is a need for machine learning classifiers that can detect this fake news automatically. So the algorithm will be modified, turned and used for this project. This is the second review of a paper, a hybrid model for fake news detection. In this, we have motivated by the three characteristics like the capture, score, and integrate. First model is based on the response and text, and it is used a recurrent neural network to capture the temporal pattern. The second module learns the source characteristics based on the behavior of users. This is the review third, like it is used for the gain in depth knowledge of how algorithms work. So we are using the algorithms in a project like decision tree, AdaBoost, and the four types of algorithm, due to which the accuracy we found that it is best for accuracy prediction. So hereby I hand over to Palak.
Yeah, I would like to explain the block diagram. So we have used a CSV file which will contain parameters like text, title, date. So we'll perform a data quality check on two of these files and analyze it for data patterns. For performing this quality check, we will use Panda, NumPy, and Stats model. So as we know, textual data can be fed to the model. So we'll have to convert it to vectors, which can be fed to the AI model for training. Vectorization will be done using feature extraction algorithm. AI model will be developed using four different algorithms, that is naive Bayes, decision trees, AdaBoost, and logistic regression. We will plot accuracy metrics for each algorithm in order to compare the accuracy of all these algorithms. Classification report and confusion matrix algorithm will be used to measure the accuracy. Based on evaluation metrics, we will freeze the algorithm, which will be utmost suitable for final model development. Last stage is testing. Finally, AI model will be tested on unseen data, which will be totally unknown to the model. Our model will be tested whether it can recognize the authenticity of news or not. I hereby hand over to Swara.
So software platform used by us is Google Colab, and the algorithms used by us are naive-based decision trees, ADA boost, or logistic regression. Uh, and we have used language Python and pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, and stats model. These are the libraries of Python we have used, and we have used feature extraction algorithm to convert the text data into the vector form. And for accuracy, we have used classification report and confusion matrix algorithm. With this, I conclude our presentation. Thank you.
Yes, any question from panelists?